Let's begin our new experiment for this video. You can see this box here. Let me surround it with other objects. A seashell, a car, and a book. Now, if someone asks me, where's the car? He or she is actually asking about the position of the car, and I might answer the following. The car is to the left of the seashell that is on the box and behind the book. Now, what if I changed positions? And if they asked me, where's the book? I would say the book is under or below the box and to the left of the car. So today's lesson is about position and motion. This is lesson 1 from Unit F, Chapter 11. What do we know about a position? A position of an object can be described by using words that relate it to another nearby object. Let's begin with page 362. Sorry. What are position and motion? Position is the place where something is. You can tell the position of an object by comparing it to the positions of other objects. You can use words such as above or below to describe where things are. You can also use the words in, on, under, next to, near, left, or right. Let us check this photo here. What do we see? A dog, a stool, a racing car, a rug, a train, a cat, and a wagon. Where do you think is the dog? The dog is above or on the stool. Now, where's the cat? The cat is in the wagon. So, if someone asks me, where is the train? How would you describe the position of the train? The train is to the right of the dog, that is on the stool, and behind the cat in the wagon. Now let's go to page 363. When something moves, its position changes. Motion is a change in the position of an object. Some ways objects move are up, down, around, sideways, or zigzag. You can describe an object's motion by telling how its position changed. This photo here, we see a dog, and it's trying to catch the flying disc, the frisbee. So which motion does the dog use? The jump up motion. In the other photo, we see a dog leaping over a bar. So the dog uses the leap over motion in order not to bump into the bar. In the other one, we see a dog and it's trying to have more fun. It's using the zigzag motion between the sticks. And the last one, we see a dog. It's trying to go through a rounded shaped and it's going around and through. So which motion is the dog using? Around and through motion. Now, let's go to the other page, page 364. Before we begin explaining, I want you to imagine that you are in your room and you want to reach the door. First, I want you to try walking to the door, and then I want you to try hopping. Which way do you think will let you reach the door faster? Of course, hopping. So how can we describe the speed of walking compared to running? Walking is slower than running. We are talking about speed. What is speed? Some things such as snails move slowly. Others such as cheetahs move quickly. This is a snail and this is a cheetah. Speed is how far something moves in a certain amount of time. So here, a cheetah's speed can be measured with a stopwatch and a tape measure. The fastest objects move farthest in a certain amount of time. Do you think a cheetah moves slower than a snail? Of course not. The cheetah reaches a specific place or a specific point faster, a lot faster than a snail. Let's go to the other page. We see a graph. Let's take a look at this graph here. It's actually a bar graph. You can see three animals, a zebra, a cheetah, and a lion. And also we see numbers here. What do you think these numbers represent? Actually, these numbers show the speed of each animal in mph, which is miles per hour. This is the unit of speed. This is the unit of measurement of speed. So let's take a look. You see here each bar. How many miles per hour does each bar represent? 0 to 10, 10 till 20, 20 to 30. So each bar represents 10 miles per hour. Let's check how many miles per hour does a zebra run. The zebra can run 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. That means it can run 4 tenths, which is 40. You see? 40. So a zebra can run 40 miles per hour. How many miles per hour does a cheetah run? It can run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70 miles per hour. And regarding the lion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, which is 50 miles per hour. Okay? Now, which animal do you think runs faster? Or is the fastest among these animals? Of course, the cheetah, because it has the highest numbers of miles per hour. So a cheetah is the fastest animal here. Now, what do you think of what are some objects that move at a high speed? Here the question says, I can say a jet plane and a rocket that goes out to the space. Yeah? Now, another question. How can you tell that something has moved? You can look at its position now and its position in the past. Let's take an example of the car. The car was here. It moved till that side. Okay, so how do we know that the car has moved? First, it was in this position, and then it was at the other position. That's how we know that an object has moved. We know that it changed its position.